Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like finding tangent line intersections are fast if you follow these steps. Let's solve this specific derivative challenge together right now. First, we need the slope of our function. The derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. This power rule application is the foundation for our entire solution. Next, plug in x equals 3 to find the specific slope and point. Our slope is negative 1/9 and the y value is 1/3. We have everything we need. Finally, set the tangent equation to 0 to find the x-intercept. Solving this linear equation gives 6. That makes option A our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to watch signs. Trust given values and check steps.